Okay, good evening. Now I will try to teach you how to use this application. First thing is you need to log in. It's owner@gmail.com. Password is password. Login. Now this is in Arabic already, but I will teach you in English. I'll go here, English. Okay, now this is starting. You will see here dashboard, services, technician, car, material, service package, report, purchase order, and setting. In the dashboard, you will see service total service amount, daily service amount, weekly service amount, monthly service amount, and daily total car. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to create a package. Okay, you need to go package, package. Okay, create new package. Okay, example, package 1. Okay, you can write a description here or whatsoever, you can write it. How much this price? Example, this 300 reals. What is this car type? This car type example, this package is only for this type. Yani example, you have too many package, you need to make duplicate. You need to make from Japanese and Korean and continental. Okay, now I will choose Japanese. Discount applicable. You can discount applicable. You can give discount for the customer if this available for discount or no. Now I will choose no. Then add. Okay. Now we have package 1. Now I will create another package. Okay. This one is the package 2. You need to write the amount. Example, this 200 real. Car type again. Then add. Okay. This package is done. Now what you need to create is a task. Task is example in package 1 with task. What task you need to do for this one? Example for package 1, we will create now task 1 for package 1. This how much again? This one is 50 reals. Add. Okay, we will create another one. Task 2. This one 50 real. We will create again task 3. This one 100 real. We will create again task 4. This one 100 reals. Okay, we will create now for package 2. Now we will create task 5. This one it will cost 100 reals. Create again task 6. This one 100 reals. Okay, this task now we will link to package. We need to go package. We need to go package 1. Edit. Assign task. Example task 1. Add. Then task 2. Add. Task 3. Add. Task 4. Add. Okay, this is done. Now we will go back. See, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task. Okay, we will go back again. This we will make update. Okay, it's done. Now we will go back to package 2. Now we will assign tasks. We cannot arrange this one. We cannot assign again this one. We need to go task 5. Add. Task 6. Add. Done. You need to go back. Now we have task 6, task 5. Okay, now we finished the package and task. Now you need to do next is assign technician. Make a technician. We need to go user. Add user. Example, tech1. His email, tech1, gmail.com. I'll put password 123. 123. Location. If you have more location, you can assign. Example, I will assign it from Damam branch. Next, what role? Technician. Add. I will create another one. Tech2. Tech2@gmail.com. Password 123. 123. Damam branch. Technician. Add. Also, you can create more, no problem. Until 5, 10, no problem also. Okay, now we have technician. Now what we will do now is we will create a service. New service. We can search a car. Example there is a car or no. We will check if this is available. If it's not available, you need to create a new car. This national ID is optional. It's up to you if you want to define or no. Now I will not define. I will put only my name, my mobile number, my car plate, my car make. Example, my car is Toyota. Model 2016. Chassis number, color, example, silver. You can not define mileage, it's up to you. You need to define the transmission automatic. You can define also a coupon. If there is a coupon, if not, no need. Submit. Okay, now that we have a car, you need to choose this one, press next. Okay, now we need to choose a package. Example, I want to choose full package. If I choose full package, I need to press package 1. This will cost 300 real. If I don't like the full package, I need only like task 1, task 2 or task 4 only I need. Then I need to package to also this task 6. I need to choose only. Then click next. You can define also this one. Example, tire is good. This one is like compliment for the customer, like you check, but in reality you didn't check. You tell him your tire everything is good to make him happy. Tire is good. Next, you need to choose a technician. Example, you will choose Tech 1 and Tech 2. You can choose more, or you can choose only one, no problem. Next, then all this is the task. It will cost him all these the task you need to do is 50, 50, 100, 100. Then this good. Then submit. Okay, now we have this task. You can print this one to give to your technician. It's up to you if you want to print it. Okay, now we need to go technical service. Open a service. This is now the services. Start service. Click OK. Okay, now you can define here everything. If you have a material, you can define, but now we don't have material. Okay, I will define a material for you. Just hold on. Material. Example, material. What is the barcode number? Material type name 3M. What is the type of material? Japanese. Cost. Example, you can define 100 or 0. It's up to you. Add. Okay. We need to update the quantity. Example, we have 10 piece. Update. Okay. It's done. We have 10 piece now. Okay. We will go back to technical service. Open services. Okay. This is all we need. Example, this one is good. No need to repair. No need to define anything. But if it's repair, example, you have engine, you want to check it's running, just put repair and search the material. If no, leave it empty. Okay. Now we will go to the task. Example, for task 6, we need to repair. We need to change 3M, then put 1. Example, for task 4, repair, put 3M. Example, 2 piece. This task 2, repair, 3M, 1 piece. Again here, repair, 3M, 1 piece. Now we need to press request material. Request material, it means the job is done. Everything is okay. Request material, okay. Okay, job is complete. The job complete, we will go from here. You see, this is completed, the status. Okay, now we need to go services. For what? The services is for invoicing. You need to go complete. View. Okay, this is the total cost. This is the now what you will do is you need to check whatever the technician do. If he's okay, this what you call it, this our client is okay. Okay, you need to generate the invoice. He's happy. Okay. After generate the invoice, this is total amount. He need to pay $315 and 15 for tax, or 315 reals. We will change it later. This sign. Okay. Generate invoice. Okay. The invoice. This is total invoice again. Make the payment. Now we have full payment or split. Split is yani he cannot pay full payment, he can pay only split 50-50 yani. You can do this one. Okay, we will choose now pool. We have payment two payment, cash, Visa, Master and check. I will explain the Visa. If you choose Visa, you need approval code to define from here. If you need Master, same thing, you need approval code. If you need check, you need also check number to define here. But now we will choose a cash. Submit. Hold on. We choose Visa. Submit. Okay. Class. This is finished. Now this is the invoice for the customer. Okay. We'll click it. Now this is paid. After 7 days, it will come this one close. It will, the notification is closed. If it is still not 7 days, it will be notified as paid. Okay, now I'll show you the report. First, I'll show you the dashboard. You will see the dashboard. You see, you have a sale 315. Total car, how many? Like one only. Okay, we go now to report. Sales report. You need to set a date. Example from day 1 until 31. Get the report. Now, you will see invoice number, date and time. Who is the customer? What is the plate number? Grand total is the total amount without tax. Cost total is with the tax. You can export, but at this moment, the export is not working. You can see detailed sales report. I will show you about it. Now, detailed sales report is you will see who do the job, the technician. This will help you to give them commission. Total car report. You can define here, from here. Now, total report, you will see the car brand, how many car define for this one. How many day you work for this brand. You can also export it. It's clear? Now I'll show you the setting. What is have in the setting? System setting is you can define all the information from here. Payment method, you can add the payment. It's up to you. You can define from user. Car make, yani if you have another car, you can define here. You can define also coupon if there is a coupon. Customer group, if you have VIP, general, it's up to you. This one is by discount. Supplier, you can define a supplier also. Store location, you can define here as yani like 10 location for your branches, no issue. It's clear? Hopefully you like this application and I'm looking for your feedback. Thank you.